this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Slime Rancher multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. By default, Slime Rancher is a single player only game, so as you can see on the Steam store, it is only labeled as single player. However, there is a mod that allows you to play Slime Rancher multiplayer. In this video, I'm gonna cover how you can install the necessary mods and get it to work. So, first, you will need to download Mod Loader. This is the actual tool that allows you to use mods when playing Slime Rancher. So look for Slime Rancher Mod Loader, or SRML, and choose the option to download. You will receive a zip file containing an installer. So this is what it looks, installer.exe. Now you have to place this installer on the game folder, which for most people will be on the program files x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and Slime Rancher. If you are not sure, you can right-click Slime Rancher on Steam and then browse local data. Then, like I said before, place the Slime Rancher mod loader installer here in this location. With this done, you can now run it, and it is going to create these two folders, mod loader, and the other one, it is only going to create the mod load folder. The second one is going to be created by the multiplayer mod. So now you have to download the multiplayer mod itself. It is titled SRMP. As you can see, it actually has a price, so $4.99, but you can download the mod for free by going over to the Discord. So click on this Discord link. This will take you to the Discord server, Sati's Discord, and under multiplayer development, you can get some releases of the multiplayer mod. So choose the latest release available here on this channel, and then you will receive the mod in the DLL format. Now you will drop it into the SRML folder. So go to mod loader inside of the mods folder and drop it here. Once you run the game, this folder will then be created, indicating that the multiplayer mod has been detected and is now being used. Now, if you look at the top right corner of your screen when you launch the game on the home screen, you will see the multiplayer mod. If you want more information on how to host a game, you can choose this option here. You will either need to do port forwarding, which allows your friends to join you using your IP and the port, or you will need to use a tool like LogMe and Hamachi. I'm not going to go into too much detail about port forwarding, but if you want to use Hamachi or something like Radmin VPN, this will allow you to create specific groups where your friends can connect together. So this allows you to connect together without port forwarding. You just go over to network, create a new one, and your IP address is going to be usable by your friends to join. Whoever is going to be hosting will follow the instructions here, create the game, and whoever is joining will copy the IP address from the host alongside the port once they are inside of the game, and then choose connect. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.